Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you an amazing feature on CapCut that is perfect for boutique owners, fashion designers, or anyone who sells clothes online. This particular tool is going to help you generate realistic models that are wearing your clothes. I mean the very piece you have already. So you can showcase them like a pro without hiring models or even doing photo shoot. See, whether you want to upload these model shots to your website or use them as a product samples or even post them on social media, this is a tool that you're definitely going to love. It's a game changer for your fashion content. So let's get into it. So like you can see on my screen, these are some of the models I was able to generate and give them an outfit that can suit them. So you see right here. So this tool is amazing because it's definitely going to help you. Imagine not having to spend for photo shoot and all of that. Wow. So you can see right here, these ones were generated using this particular feature on CapCut. So I'm going to show you how to do something like this. Now let's head over to CapCut. So when you come to CapCut, the next thing you want to do is to look for all tools. You can see all tools here. So I click on all tools. And then the next thing I want to do is to look for AI model. So you see marketing tools, you see photo editing, you see AI tools. So that's the one you're going to look for, this particular AI model at the bottom. So I click on it and it's going to load for me. First of all, you have to make sure that before now you've taken pictures of the clothes that you have for sale. Okay, you've taken their pictures, you have their pictures already. Either you remove the background or you can leave them the way they are, or just make sure you upload them to this platform because it's definitely going to remove the background for you first of all. So the first thing I want to do is to come here to the plus sign and I'm going to upload the picture that I want to make use of. So let's say for example that I want to make use of this particular image you're seeing here. So I click on add and then I get to select the model I want to use. Which particular model do I want to use? So I come here back to models and then you see the models. These are the various models they have here. They have about 4 female and 4 male. So I'm going to say, okay, let's go with this particular first lady here. Or still, you can go for any one of them, all right? So let's go with this one. I'm going to click next, which is this good sign you're seeing here. And then make sure the product you are using is selected, which is this picture that I have here. And the next thing I want to do is to select a pose. So I come back here and select the different pose I want for this particular model. So I select this one. I'm going to select this and I would love to use just 4. So let's say for example we're adding this. So when I'm done, I click on what? Generate. I click on generate and then allow it to generate the model putting on this particular outfit for me. So you can do this for different outfits. Okay, you can see now I can retry it again. Okay, perfect. So this is it. Can you see how it looks? So the next thing I want to do is to do what? Export the 4 images. I've exported them. So if I go to my camera, that's my pictures now, you get to see them. So once you click, you see how it looks on the model. So can you see how amazing this particular feature is? So I don't get to pay for models to wear my clothes. Okay, so what you do is, if the particular outfit you have is for plus size people, what you're going to do is to indicate when people are buying that this particular outfit is available for different sizes. It's available in medium, large, extra large, and just like that, just indicates what is available. So that's how to generate this. Now let's go for the male. Let's see what we can do for males. So we're going to also generate this particular model using the male version. So we're going to get an outfit for the male. I think I already have one t-shirt and then a few other ones. Let's try out and see what we can do. So I come back to AI models and I'm going to select my model. So let's say we're going with this particular model and I'm going to click on, let's go with this. I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to bring in my product, that is the picture of the outfit I want it to put on, right? So let's go and see. So I downloaded a t-shirt okay, so you can see the t-shirt here. So I'm going to say add, right? So I'm going to select the pose. So this is one, this is another, this is another, this is another. So remember, because it's a t-shirt, I'm not going to pick so much. I just want it to be a half model because it's just a t-shirt. It's not both t-shirt and trouser, right? So I'm going to click on generate and allow it to generate the model putting on this particular outfit for us. It doesn't take much time. That's one thing I love about it. I'm going to retry. Okay, so perfect, all 4 are ready. So when I'm done, I also export all of them. So that's how to do this. So this particular feature is amazing if you are a fashion designer, you're a fashion content creator, or you have a boutique and you definitely want to put these pictures on a model. This is how to do it. Isn't this amazing? Are you going to try this out? Let me know in the comment section if you got value from this, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will get to show to more persons. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.